So I have an old flashlight, Surefire flashlight, that's got an incandescent bulb surrounded by 3 LEDs. And it's discontinued now. It comes with what's called an MA-02 light, which I think is a 50 watt light, or 50 lumen light bulb. And then this advertises 120 lumens. This is the high output A2 as opposed to the MA-02. And so it's still working. The original bulb I've got in there is still kicking, even after, I don't know what, it's about 15, 18 years. But I just wanted to see, since I got it, I just want to make sure that this bulb in fact works. And I wanted to see if there's indeed a difference. I would think there'd be more current draw. My understanding is that there's a buck converter, so the voltage should be the same no matter what battery it is. And so I'd expect a little bit more current with this Lumens Factory battery, and that's of course easy to measure just with the digital multimeter. You can short the 2 terminals, so we'll take a look here. Okay, so right now I have the original light, the MA-02 in, along with a couple, what are these? Lithium batteries, I think these are, yeah, CR123As. So I'm going to go ahead and turn this on to amps. I think this is regulated at 4.5 volts. So I'm just going to short out the body, the tube here. Hold that on, and then I'm going to touch the bottom of the battery. And the light comes on. And there it is. So it's about 1.36, 1.37 amps. All right, now I'm going to try it out with the other bulb. Okay, hopefully as you saw, I put in the HA-O2 bulb. And now I'm just going to do the same thing. I'm going to see how much current it draws. So I'm connecting the positive to the outside, right in there. I'm just pressing it against the grooves, holding it, and you can see this is a little higher. 1.51 amps. Alright, so it is higher. That actually makes sense. Let's see what the conversions say. I think everybody knows that watts is amps times volts. So I'm going through and multiplying the 1.3 amps times the regulated 4.5 volts, which comes out to 5.85 watts for that first MA-02 bulb. Next, we'll take the same 4.5 volts, multiply it times the 1.5 amps that we were drawing, and we'll get 6.75, so about a 1 watt difference. So you can see by the table, it's probably 20-25 lumens. I want to see if we can tell a difference between the two. I just did the high output one, so I'm going to do that first. This is supposedly 120 lumens. That's, of course, this first stage is the LEDs. This is the incandescent bulb. So let's take a look at that. Okay, let's go try out the MA-02. Okay, now we're in the same closet in the dark with the MA-02. So here is the LEDs, and there is the incandescent. And man, they're very, very similar. All right, I don't think we're going to be able to tell. All right, so thanks. What I did is I went through and I created a screenshot. So here's the MA-02. And then right next to it, I'll put the HO-A2. I think I can talk myself into saying the HO-A2 is a bit brighter, probably only because I know that. I think they say you can discern about a 10% difference in lumens, so that would be about on point. Either way, I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks a lot. Have a great day.